free zone. And after the Dallas Stars, number 29, Noah Ottinger. And for your national competitors, number 74, Goofy And now the starting lineup of the Dallas Stars, brought to you by Draft Goods. On offense, number 2, Johnny Hockenpop. Offense, number 23, Issa Mendez. Number 18, Michael Rappa. Redford, number 12, Radek Faksa. Center, number 11, Luke Glendenning. And goal for the Dallas Stars, number 29, Jacob Ottinger. Head coach for Dallas is Rick Bowness. And now turn your attention to tonight's 4 keys of the game. From halftime section 310, I've got your 3 keys to the game. Key number 1, the wall. Preds broke through a huge win on Tuesday night at Sunrise, one of the toughest places to win this season in the NHL. Now, it's a divisional showdown. Key number 2, the eraser. The team lived a tough stretch of hockey where they hit more iron than nickel. Erasing that from their memories is key heading into the big weekend in Smashville. And key number 3, the GOAT. With 35 in the rafters and in the house tonight, Juuse Saros has the baton for this team, and we know he'll show his former partner exactly what he's got. And the biggest key tonight, it's you, Smashville. Let's not turn it up to 11. Let's turn it up to 35. And now tonight's 4 keys of the game. National Guard, and Sergeant First Class Chad Adams of the Tennessee Army National Guard. Presenting tonight's colors are the Murfreesboro Police Department Honor Guard. And now, sing along with rising country star Cameron Marlowe as we honor the United States with the singing of the National Anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? Oh, the red